Hey guys, my name is Brett Keselowski of Print Digital Solutions, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Multigraf CPC XPRO with inline folder. Now, automating your finishing department has long been a concept, something we talk about that you should do, but nowadays it's an absolute reality. It's a must. The reason for this is that people are getting expensive and paper costs a ton as well. The less touch points you can have from start to finish, the better you are at running your shop. Now, the Multigraf CPC XPRO is an absolute masterpiece of Swiss engineering. Just look at it, it's beautiful. But more than just beauty, it actually has a lot of practical use because it can bring your entire finishing department into one single machine. You could potentially replace your folder, your guillotine cutter, your creaser, and your perforation machine. And not to mention, it can do better than any single one of those things at each of their jobs. So today what I want to do is run through from start to finish what it looks like to set up a job, how it feeds, all the benefits of the slitting, cutting, creasing, perfing in the unit, and what a finished product would look like on the end. So come along with us.
Starting at the front end of the machine is a built-in 12-inch touchscreen to help program any job from simple to the most complex variations in just 5 easy steps. From there, you can customize machine functions like air and vacuum, batching and registration mark reading. The 7-inch pile feeder is air-fed and will run stocks up to 400 GSM and as large as 14.75 inches wide by 42 inches long. Advanced accuracy features like the QR code and registration mark reader allows for auto job recall and image shift compensation every single sheet. As the sheet enters the CPC, it will run through 2 cross tools that can be set up in a variety of ways, such as up crease, down crease, full perf, or partial perf. Then comes up to 4 rotary strike perf heads that can be programmed to perf along the length direction. 6 heavy-duty slitting heads and a self-sharpening guillotine blade handle the slitting and cutting of each piece just before landing on the vacuum bed and into the folder. The TF can fold 1, 2, or 3 up pieces all at the same time. Other machines on the market can do some or even most of the functions of the CPC XPRO, but none can do it with such accuracy, complexity, and with the speed and efficiency of the CPC XPRO all in one pass. From something as simple as a business card or a postcard to a greeting card or a table tent, and more complex work like tri-folded coupon booklets or finished perfect bound book covers with up and down hinge and spine creases, the opportunities are endless.
Automating your finishing department can seem like a big, daunting, and expensive task, and at first glance, you're not really wrong. But after we've done countless cost analysis for many print shops from small to large, what we've discovered is there's nothing more expensive than not automating your finishing department. So with that being said, I hope you've enjoyed the video of our wonderful CPC XPRO with inline folder. If you guys have any questions or would like to come in for a demo, please give us a call, send me an email, brett@printdigitalsolutions.com, and look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.